motherfuckers in the YouTube world. For all you bitches out there that don't want to fucking make, I guess apparently nobody wants to fucking do a video on a fucking North Star transverse engine, 07 Cadillac DTS. I'm all the way down part 3 to the timing chain cover and the harmonic balancer. I got the valve covers off, power steering pump pulley off, all the fucking, everything moved out of the way. Pull the fucking harmonic balancer, pull the timing chain cover, and once again the whole reason behind doing this job is because of this here. And they say the timing chain assembly on these Cadillac North Stars are supposed to last the lifetime of the motor. My ass, that doesn't look like that lasted. And this is what I got out of the motor. Backfed one of the piece of the tensioner up out of back here behind this timing chain, the cam gear. So, and it's got 198,000 miles on it, but that still isn't the life of the motor. So let me get this harmonic balancer off and the timing chain cover, and we'll be back in a minute. Ain't that right, Robert?
Yep.